Hey guys, welcome to Shojib Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the third person character. So I'm going to use this free asset, which is Rise Legionnaire. This is something you can get it for free from the marketplace. So you can download it from your client, CryEngine client. If you click on download, it's going to show downloaded. So you have that. So once you download it, you can just click on this drop down reveal in Explorer. It will show you where the files are. Then you can have that open, and we're going to use it. Okay. So the first thing you want to do once you have that downloaded, because we're going to use this character, you can just go to your projects and create a new project. I'm going to create a brand new C# third person project because we're going to change the third person character to the new character, and I'm going to name it third person project. Okay, and I'm going to create it. Remember to pick C# third person. Create it. Without opening it, I'm going to click on this icon of my new project, and I'm going to go to reveal in Explorer. I'm going to copy and paste a couple of things. So I'm going to have the two windows open. One is the downloaded character. Second is the my third person project folder of the Rise Legionnaire. I'm going to go to the subfolders of assets, and I'm going to see animations and objects. I'm going to copy, select all, and copy, right? And I'm going to put it in my third person project assets folder. Copy and paste it. Okay. Don't worry about renaming any of the folders, because you will see the existing folders, animations and objects, and these folders are lowercase. Don't worry about it, it's going to take care of that automatically. So you don't want to change that, otherwise you're going to see a lot of errors and it's not going to work. There you go. See, these two folders got updated. All right, now we are going to open our third person project. All right, cool. Our third person project is open. So let's give it a try the way it is now. So I'm going to go to my SS browser window, go to level and double click on example. This is the level that we have. Make sure you are in the perspective window and the level should show up. And we're going to give it a try. We're going to play, see how it is. Oh, there you go. This is the third person project, and we're going to play and see this. This is the, we're going to change this character to the Rise Legionnaire character. The first we want to go to tools, animation. We're going to go to character tool. Okay, and this is a big window. I'm going to maximize it, so have the window open. I'm going to go to expand compression, click on skeleton list. So on the right, under scene properties, on the right you will see aliases. Okay, so I'm going to delete that. I'm going to click on this. I'm going to remove all. Right, so after that I'm going to save. So after I click save, the error should go away. So what I'm going to create a new one, and I'm going to add, and then I'm going to navigate to the I'm going to go to objects, characters. This is a new folder, human, medium, Roman legion, and I'm going to choose the CHR file, legion skeleton CHR. Click on open. So I'm going to save this. Now we are ready to see our sample character. Open the CDF file, I guess. So it's right here. There you go, legion CDF. There you go. This is how it looks. Pretty cool, right? So, and also you can see the bones if you click on joints. You could see this, right? I'm going to keep it off. So it looks pretty cool, right? Let's check out the animation, see if the animations work. Okay, so animations are right here, and if I double click on this, skeleton atlas legionnaire doesn't exist. Please choose another legionnaire. Okay, I think we have to use the same name, legionnaire. Okay, let's see if that solves this problem. Let's see if I fix this name, change it to rename it to legionnaire. Okay, and then save it. um let's see if that the error goes away. All right, there you go. There are a lot of animations, right? So if you double click on, not if you click on one of the animations, you see the animation. See that? So many animations. Archer, idle, fire, so many animation there. All right, so I think we're set. So we're gonna save this and we're going to close this window. Oh, there are two characters are open. So if you go to your asset browser and you see the code folder and you see the player and weapons, go to player and double click on player. So if you double click on a player, it will open, and you don't need Visual Studio for this, because I think you just need any C# editor. If it doesn't, if you can open it, just use Visual Studio 2017. I'm using Visual Studio 2017. We have to rename this to our Legion CDF file. So I think is, let's track the get the directory. It's objects, character, human, medium, Roman, and this is the one. So I'm going to copy this object, characters, human, medium. So rename this, and this is going to Legion PDF. Make sure the slash is // so you can either type it or just copy paste and then swap the slashes from the backslash to // This is objects, character, human, medium, Roman, Legion, and Legion.cdf. That's it. So after that, let's save this. Save. I'm going to close my Visual Studio. So yeah, so we're going to right now, we're going to close our CryEngine because we're going to manually modify some of the files, and then we're going to look for, we're going to go to assets, animation, mannequin, preview, and double click on the player. I'm going to open it with my Sublime editor. Let me close some of the files. All right, so I opened player.xml file. Okay, so you see, like you see, this is an XML file and it has like 2 lines that we need to change. Pretty much we're going to copy and paste the same thing we did there for the player.xml file. There's characters sample. In our case, I think it's I forgot again. Object, character, human, medium, this, right? There you go. It's the same path. Since we don't have a first person character, we're going to use the same one and do it for both, and then the CDF file name is Legion. So pretty much I'm going to copy this and paste it here. So for our first person and third person, we're going to use the same CDF file. Make sure the path is right, and we're going to save and close. We are ready to open our project again and give it a try. Our project is open. I'm going to open the level. Let's see who is there. Let's see, we have our character ready. Right now, if I play this, as you see, it's not doing anything, right? So let's fix that. Okay, go to mannequin editor, maximize it. We're going to open a load preview setup, animations, mannequin preview, player XML file. Don't worry about this. So we have idle, walk, and So we have walk and this is idle. So if you click on the default, double click on the options, you will see our player. Let's zoom in. All right, now we're going to pick our idle animation. So we have the first person, third person. I'm going to click on first person on the graph, right? And on the right, I'm going to click on this and change it to, and I'm going to search for idle. I'm going to pick the first one, bar one hand idle, and I'm going to copy this and click on the third person and rename it this. Okay, and I should be able to play it right now. If I play, there you go, there's the idle. Now let's change the walk animation. Walk option and click on the first person. I want to pick this, copy the name, go to third person, rename it, and let's play. There you go, it's working, it works, right? Let's save the changes. In the future video, I'll show you how to add more animations. This one, it will be just idle and walk. So if you click on save changes, it's going to show up, your ADB, first person ADB, the animation database, and it's going to save. All right, let's close the menu queen editor right now. So we're ready to walk and show the idle animation. All right, let's switch to game, and there you go, we're in idle. Even though if you rotate, it doesn't do any other animation because we didn't add them, but we added the idle animation. Now we can walk. The back plays the same animation, but we can, I'll show you how to do that in the future video and more and stuff. Right now it works. So this is pretty cool. This is how you change your third person character. If you find it useful, don't forget to share with your friends and family members. If you're new to the channel, share as well, and also please don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, goodbye.